You know, Oregon's kind of a crazy state when you think about it. I mean, we blew up a whale once here in the state of Oregon. That's crazy. And you know, we have 300 miles of coastline here in Oregon, and we don't have a single benchmark or science standard that pertains to oceanography. I mean, it only covers, what, 3/4 of the earth? Come on. But hey, it's Oregon. That's the way we are. So here you are. You're in Oregon, snowing out. You're stuck high in the mountains, let's say up on Mount Hood. And all you have is a can of tuna fish, some toilet paper. Always got to have that when you're up in the mountains, I suppose. Some matches. What are you going to do? Well, if you're paying attention to the exploding whale, you might have said, well, maybe I can explode some tuna fish. Or maybe I can make a tuna torch and keep myself warm. And then, if you like smoked salmon, you might like smoked tuna. So here we are. This is how to make a tuna torch. It might save your life, and you might learn a little science while you're at it. All right, so take your tuna fish, and well, I recommend using the tuna that has oil in it. You know, packed in water, fire, that doesn't usually work so well. But oil, yeah, not so bad. All right, here we go. We're going to open the can of tuna fish. Well, we're going to try and open the can of tuna fish. There we go. All right, so we got our can of tuna fish. We got it open. And then you're going to need about, I guess about 4 pieces of toilet paper. I guess it depends on the size of the toilet paper. Put that on there. That's more than 4 there. All right, there's 3. And my math teacher taught me correctly as a kid. Oop, there's 4. All right, now, gonna let that soak in a little bit. I want to just kind of move that out of the way for safety reasons. Probably a good idea to wear safety goggles. I don't know if you're going to have safety goggles in your backpack while you're up on Mount Hood, freezing on the glacier, but you might. All right. And take a light. And look at that guy go. All right. All right, now we're going. The world famous tuna torch. And you would not believe it, but this thing will keep you warm and keep cooking for literally hours. A tuna torch actually works pretty darn well. Well, you could sing, you know, some campfire songs. I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, or whatever. And so give her a go. And I got a question for you. Do you think a tuna torch is more exciting or an exploding whale? I know, it's kind of an Oregon thing. Good luck. And it's tasty too.